right, Hunter Biden was scheduled to be here at the federal courthouse later this month to be sentenced in his tax evasion trial. Now, as his legal troubles appear to be ending, analysts say the political problems for his father and his father's party are just beginning.
I said I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
That was President Biden shortly after his son Hunter was convicted in a federal gun case and after his youngest son pled guilty to federal tax evasion charges in September. The White House again said there would be no pardon. But now, just weeks before Hunter Biden was set to be sentenced, facing up to 42 years in prison, the president did what he said he would not, pardoning his son, saying in a statement, "No reasonable person who looks at the facts of Hunter's cases can reach any other conclusion than Hunter was singled out only because he is my son." And the president alleges an effort to break his son, who is 5.5 years sober, adding, "In trying to break Hunter, they've tried to break me, and there's no reason to believe it will stop here. Enough is enough." Neama Rahmani is a former federal prosecutor.
There's no question that Hunter Biden committed many crimes. He didn't pay his taxes for years. He owned a gun when he was an admitted drug addict. These are crimes that are prosecuted routinely. Now, perhaps addict in possession isn't prosecuted without other crimes, but there's plenty of evidence that Hunter Biden committed other crimes, including not paying his taxes. So there's really no validity to the president's argument.
Beyond the propriety of the pardon, political analysts say President Biden has to answer for why he went back on his word. Jack Pitney is a professor of American politics.
The thing is, he made a very explicit promise, which he broke. And I'm writing a book now about President Bush and Read My Lips. And there is a political price to pay for broken promises. Unfortunately for Joe Biden, this will be in the first paragraph of his obituary.
He says President Biden's troubles from this will not be his alone.
This puts Democrats in a very tough spot. Trump is going to issue some very controversial pardons in January. Democrats were ready to attack him for it. Now the Republicans will come back and say, what about Hunter Biden? This is going to put pressure on Democrats to disagree with, condemn this pardon. And that in turn will create friction with the administration, which still has time to run before Biden leaves office.
Now, the president says he made his decision after spending time with his family, including Hunter, over the holiday weekend. We are live in downtown Los Angeles. I'm Lori Perez. Back to you.